What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is a whole unboxing and review on this styling app called FlipFit. So basically it's like one of those styling services that sends you clothes monthly, but what makes them so different and why I personally like them is that you get to go on the app and choose your own clothing. So I know there's a bunch of apps out there that like basically you get assigned to a stylist, you take a little questionnaire and they send you clothing. But for me, I know my body best, I know it fits me best, so I would rather go on and choose my own clothing rather than have some stylist do it for me. Another thing about this app that I loved is how interactive it is. So you actually go on and you just browse through the newsfeed and you'll see a bunch of girls trying on the items. So for me that was helpful to see it on a real life person rather than in like a professional model photo shoot on a website. So I liked seeing it on just like normal girls, and then you actually get to vote and help them if they should keep it or return it, and the more you do that you actually are gaining points towards credit for your own personal box. So how this works is the only money that you have to put up front is $20, and that basically is it's basically a security deposit. So if you don't like anything in your box, once you send it back, you have 5 days to do that, you would get your $20 back. If you end up keeping something in your box, that $20 goes towards that item. So that's how it works up front. But basically I just went on, like I said, I was scrolling through the news feed. They have over 150 brands like Free People, JOA, super like on trend brands. So I loved that, and then I just added anywhere from 15 to 20 items to my cart, and then I had it mailed to me. And like I said, you have 5 days to decide if you want to keep it or return it, and if you return it they give you a prepaid label and you just stick that on the box. So they made it super seamless. I feel like they thought of everything and they just made it as easy as possible. So before I keep rambling, let's jump into it. I did film this video already, so everything was folded up so nice and wrapped in tissue, but since I filmed this already, I obviously had to open the box. Basically what happened is like the way I was sitting, the lighting was really weird and off, and I don't know. So I'm in a new room, so I had to figure out the best way for lighting. So if you're wondering why I'm not showing you like the really nice package, maybe I'll like insert a little link of me unboxing from the first video. But this is how it came. I was super excited. I love this box. I love how it has the handle. It's like really all in the details with this brand. First up, I like kept this box really summery, so I wanted like really cute pieces to end summer with. So I thought this top was super cute. It's like a really bright yellowy green color. I love any like dress or top that has the ties on the sleeve. I think that's just so adorable, and I feel like it fit really well, and I loved the ruffle. So just a super feminine top, perfect for summer, perfect for like a date night or out to dinner with your friends. That's kind of what I was sticking to with all these pieces. Like I wanted really cute tops and dresses, so that's what you will find in this video. Next up, this is from the brand JOA, which stands for Just One Answer. And I loved this dress because it's so hard for me to find that perfect mini dress, and I feel like this will be really short and flattering on. And I obviously also loved these like little bow and cutout details. Perfect for summer. You could wear it over a bathing suit or you could wear it out. You could definitely dress it up or dress it down, but just like that perfect little white mini dress that I feel like everyone needs. Another thing that I love is that they have super simple basic pieces that I feel like you need for every season, but then also like really fun prints, patterns, and colors. So I kind of did a mix of both. So next up is this really cute crop top with these really thin cord straps. Love that, and it's really nice thick quality. I feel like this is good for like going out, and you always just need like new white crop tops, I feel, for summer. Okay, next up, this is from the brand Salty, and it is the most stunning bodysuit. I love the color. I love that it's silk. I love this little bow here, the ruching here. Everything about it I think is just so beyond pretty. Perfect for a date night. Honestly, I'm going down to my friend's beach house tonight, and we're doing dinner. Maybe I will wear that there because I feel like it's really cute. Next up, I loved this top. Since I filmed this already, I already tried everything on, but I loved this top because it was just perfect for summer. You could tie it here in the middle, super like lightweight, easy to throw on. You could throw it over a bathing suit or wear it as a plain top, and I did love how it had like the line pattern to it. So super cute. This was from the brand Lost and Wander. And see, this brand alone is $65. So like I mentioned before, the more you like help girls decide to keep or return, you build a credit, and you could get up to 30% off all of your items, and that's all year round. So like a lot of these brands never really go on sale, like Free People, so it's kind of good to know that you could get them on discount here. All right, another very simple item. Oh wait, it's inside out. I just love little tops like this, and I loved the silver button detail going down. I thought it was super cute, and it was so comfy, and it has a nice stretch to it. All right, moving into some of the dresses. I thought this print was so fun and different, and that's also something so good about this. Like, I want to just buy this offline because I would definitely want to try it first, and then it's so annoying to have to wait for your refund, everything like that. So what I love about this is you could kind of step out of your comfort zone because you're trying it before you're buying it. So I figured, let me try this while I can, but I do like the pattern and I like the little cutout detail, so I feel like it could be really feminine and cute. I'd probably wear it with just like white sneaker, call it a day, keep it super casual. All right, next up, this is from Free People. I had something similar to this years ago, and I don't know whatever happened to it, but I saw it on the website and I figured I would give it a go because I know I used to love it. It is a little see-through, so I would definitely recommend it as a bathing suit cover-up, but I love that you could get brands like that from this site, so super cute. This is usually $88, so it's like, it's so cool that just for putting $20 down, I'm able to like have access to all of these clothes to try on, to make sure before, because if I ordered all this off the app, it would have been like hundreds and hundreds of dollars, whereas now it's like risk-free, if that makes sense. All right, this dress is Free People as well. Ooh, this one's heavy. But I loved the puff shoulder, and I thought it looked really like it would be really short, and I like the textured pattern to it, so I'm hoping this fits because it is a little bit heavy. This might be my favorite piece of the box. It's a really pretty blue color and has like acid wash to it, and then it has a 3/4 zipper, which I think is super in. And I know it is summer and it's hot out, but I feel like even tonight, like when I'm at a beach house, like it gets a little chilly at the beach, so maybe I'll bring this, throw this on over a bathing suit, and you could also wear it into fall as well. So this is definitely my favorite item so far. Another great thing about this service is they actually do accessories as well. So I have this cute little snakeskin print bag clutch. It looks like it's like Rebecca Minkoff, but it's not, it's different. I love this little zipper detail here, so I like that you can get accessories as well. And then they also have jewelry, and then I got a really cool like on-trend sunglass. Once again, these were very unique, so I kind of wanted to try them before I bought them because I feel like you really have to try these on your face first. I think they're kind of cool. I don't know about these. But as you guys can see, they have a wide range of items. That's personally what I love. You could go like for the basic items, you could go for like the crazy loud items, whatever you guys need, I feel like they have. And once again, seeing it on like normal people was really helpful to decide, oh, okay, if this would fit me, maybe it wouldn't, things like that. But I think this whole concept is super cool. I was so happy to be a part of this. I'm so happy to share it with you guys. I will of course have more of their information down below in the description box so you guys can figure out, you know, if this is for you, exactly what it entails. But if you guys have any questions, definitely let me know, and let me know which piece was your favorite. And if you download the app, I will have all these pictures up on my little profile on my app, so definitely help me decide if I should keep or return. But thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up if you would want to see more, and I will see you in my next video.